So today it's the 18th of December 2022. This is Järnbärarvägen. Was it 20 or
Yeah.
number?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Yes.
20.
Yeah.
20 and we got also the 28.
Yeah.
But there are 5 others later.
Yeah.
And 2 later, but we know the zero numbers for
Yeah.
them.
And 22 doesn't exist for some reason.
Yeah. So, but still 5 more.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because these 6 purses of 5 grams built in, we think it's 1966. Here it's 1966.
Yeah.
Also in 28 is probably the same. They're 55 years old in last year, 2021. And this must have been modernized around that 96 or 97. But I believe it must have been slightly after 1995.
Yeah.
And this has 9 fours. This number is 52824. And the zero numbers are logical here. And hang on, yeah, you can also check the year here.
Yeah, 66.
Yes. Great. It's 66, so it's all confirmed now.
Yeah.
And probably the whole building.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's 2 rights. I love the sign, it's original.
Yeah.
So, yes, I forgot to mention this is in Bredäng, in Stockholm, Sweden. One of the suburbs next to the metro station.
Yeah.
Bredängs tunnelbanestation. Or metro station it would be in Finland Swedish.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I really love the sounds in here.
Same here.
I think they have been better here.
Yeah.
But yes, this sounds amazing, but this is even better.
Yeah.
I'm curious to find out what the rest will be later.
Okay.
So you're not.
Yeah.
It deserves it. So I'll be curious to hear the sounds in the rest of the elevators
Yeah.
in this building later.
It's did by his besiktningar i Sverige and maintained by Hissen.
Yeah. Interestingly, it says Kove warning on the door.
Yeah.
And Entré on the bottom. Ingång.
Yeah.
I mean BV and
Yeah.
yes, it was a bottenvåning, but
Yeah.
strange that they didn't put like a B or something.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it then. Thank you very much for watching.
That's